Hello guys, so this is the continuation of the part 1 video. I'm sure you will notice that there are two because my internet unfortunately decided to fail me. Um, we will continue from where we left. This minor buy side liquidity and this minor buy side liquidity. Um, I then realized that it had not taken out that minor buy side, so that is money. And these are shorts for supply and demand fellas. I'm, I am very sorry to attack you where you are if you try to trade that bullshit because that is bullshit. Price dropped and converted this asset into money. Motherfuckers got out. So anybody who was long from here to here was taken out by this, and that's why I call this liquidity. What is liquidity? Liquidity is the ability of an asset to be turned into cash. That is what simply liquidity is. And liquidity in the market, any market that you find out there, is previous highs and previous lows. That's where stops are placed, and that's where the algorithm wants to go. Um, as you can see, this is where I was interested in targeting this buy side here, and I can actually see that it delivered well before doing all this drama. This is correction. This can literally like wipe out your account in minutes because you will be traumatized, and you won't even notice how price dropped to this level. What you will notice is that you are too emotional and your account was gone. Yep. So switching down to the 1 minute time frame. Sorry, 1 minute time frame. Um, what I am interested in is the pre-market session trade. Yes. Um, I was working on another account, and I've actually managed to pass the evaluation phase. And I think the next step that I'm gonna take is scaling up as quickly as I can because that is what a trader should do to make more money. You don't increase your leverage, you don't increase your risk. You trade according to the account that you have. That is trading. You are not supposed to risk more than 1% of your account. And I am not a financial advisor. I am not telling you when to buy or when to sell. I am just showing you how I did my own stuff. If you want to copy it on your own risk, on your own risk. So this was money here. This is money. This is money. You can see how price came and take took out that money. And this right here is an order block. Let me make it a little bit clearer. Um, it's an order block, and what I am targeting is this. Um, see how price just tapped this 5 minutes BC and started delivering higher, took out this high. Price never leaves no liquidity behind. Hit this the bottom of the 1 hour CB and literally comes down to take out this liquidity here and rallies up on after touching this order block, delivering upside, taking out this liquidity for anybody who was in sales. Um, hits the top of that 1 hour CB and drops down to the 1 hour BC. You can see that that is beautiful. And Rally is up to convert this asset into money. Anybody who was just short, damn, I'm sorry, man. That shit fucked you up during that time. So this was the move that I traded. It was so hard to find an entry, but I did, and I'm gonna show it to you guys. Um, just a little bit. There we go. hmm Um, I don't know why it's not showing, but it's supposed to show. Um, my entries. Um, yep, I'm not connected to the account. Sorry. Yep. So this is the magic right here. Damn, this is so good. This is so good. I had actually put my take profit there, but my order was not filled. But here, 5511.270, and got out here at 5534.860. Remember, my order wasn't filled here, and price was so volatile that I I wasn't actually able to get out in time because on time because I was also working on another account. But this was the whole move, and it was beautiful. Um, I want to thank everybody who has been here and everybody who is listening to me right now. I also want to thank God for everything. I also want to thank my family wherever they are and my friends. And I am actually going to start that mentorship for my brother. So wherever you are, bro, just know that I'm doing this for you. I'm gonna do something for you because I want you to um understand the value of money. I don't really think people understand the value of money when they work for it. You cannot understand the value of money when you work for it. And you just have to learn how to make your money work for you because that way you realize that the world of money is so big. And eventually one thing that will be sure is that money is an illusion. um the most important terms in the world of money, I was talking to my bro just the other day, and I told him it was it is cash flow and leverage. You have to mind about your cash flow and you have to mind about your leverage. Leverage is the ability to do more with less. Just like here, I have an account, I am given more leverage to open these orders, and I can make more um, if I know what I am doing. And that brings us to the end of our session. And thank you so much for listening. Have a great evening, guys. Thank you.